Good morning, everybody. Welcome from Romania. Yesterday night, I've got home from Holland. My travel became very long because of the traffic. Everybody's on the road going on vacations. But already I am home in my garden. I am enjoying strawberry juice. And I have a very great company, Mati. But let's show you how my week was in Holland. So let's get back there. I am right now in Holland. I am waiting to be loaded for Romania, and I've opened the trailer. I didn't film it because it's raining and it's very windy right now here, so I will try as much as I could from the loading. Colegii, să aveți grijă că la intrarea în Negreni este un pistolar. Drumuri bune. Try to let everybody know that there is police, and it helps a lot because you don't get a ticket, speeding ticket. I don't know if we say speeding ticket, but it's always nice to know that there is police coming or staying next to the road. So we try to help each other always. I don't know, do you do something similar in your country? I would like to know. Monday morning I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to the unloading destination with him, because if I park here it's much closer than if I would park at home. So thank you very much for being here, and have a lovely Sunday. Bye bye.